Welcome! In this video, you will learn about creating and managing your conversational campaigns in SAP Emarsys. The Conversational channel enables you to send marketing messages to your customers in real time. Currently, this channel only supports template messaging via WhatsApp, which is a form of one-way communication. In the future, you'll be able to continue a conversation with your contacts beyond their initial touchpoint and accompany them through the whole customer lifecycle journey to increase customer satisfaction and engagement. Now to our use case. Your customer, Yumiko, places an order over the weekend. Once the package leaves the warehouse, you want to send her a WhatsApp message with the shipping status and details. Additionally, you include a special discount code in the message as a thank you for her purchase, which she can use on a future order. To send messages to your customers, you have to connect your Synch and Emarsys accounts. Let's do it together. I navigate to Channels, Conversational channel to set up my connection. Here, I enter the project ID, app ID, key ID, and secret key from my Synch account. Set the same environment as in Synch and click Connect Synch account. If you already have a Synch connection set up, and you want to verify your settings, click here and check the provider settings and the webhook configuration status. Next, enable revenue tracking on the revenue attribution page to see the revenue impact of this channel across reportings and dashboards like campaign analytics. I'd like to create a WhatsApp template that lets me use multiple languages and CTA buttons. Let's see how to do it in Synch. In my Synch account, I go to WhatsApp, Message Templates, and click Create Template. I choose a name that clearly describes the template's purpose and select the category that best fits my message. These are the categories. Marketing. Perfect for messages like abandoned cart reminders, back-in-stock alerts, or seasonal promotions. Utility. Ideal for sending shipping notifications, order confirmations, or updates on device logins. Authentication. Use this for one-time codes or password resets. For our example, I pick Utility because we want to send a shipping notification. Next, I enable the multi-language option to include a German version alongside the English one. Then I click Create Template. Now, I can decide if I want to add text or media header, for example, to attach a document or add an image. Then, I write my shipping status message to the body text area, along with samples for the personalization fields. I add a call to action button redirecting to the package tracking site so my clients can check the shipping status of their packages more easily. For that, I select the action type and specify the button text. Then I choose the URL type. Add a website URL and include a dynamic URL sample. Finally, I save the template and repeat the process for the German version. Every language needs to be saved before moving to configure the next one. Your completed WhatsApp template must then be submitted for validation by Meta, which typically takes no more than a couple of hours. After that, it's available for use in your Emarsys account. Now that I'm done with setting up the Synch side, let's create a new Emarsys WhatsApp campaign with the shipping status and details. Here, I name my campaign. The recipient source is pre-configured since conversational campaigns can only be launched through automation programs. The next step is content creation, where you can now select the template you previously created. The options available in the message mapping section will depend on the specific template that you have submitted. Here, you can configure various elements such as personalization tokens, links, CTA buttons, to insert content from the media database, if your template supports images, videos, documents, or location media types. I select my template with the dynamic CTA button and enable link tracking and link shortening. The message body includes the token options that were previously set for the template. I insert the first name personalization token and an ID field for the tracking number and another for the voucher. And finally, I set the call to action button field. Then I set the German language version as well. Now I can send a test message. It looks great. I can activate the campaign. I navigate to the automation overview page and edit my delivery update program. Contacts must opt in to receive WhatsApp messages, so I created a WhatsApp opt-in true contact segment, which I select now. Then I add a WhatsApp node, and I select my campaign from the drop-down list. Finally, I activate the program. Once the automation program is running, let's allow some time for data collection to provide meaningful reporting insights. Back to the Conversational channel overview page. Here you can search for your campaigns, filter them by status, customize the columns to display relevant information such as campaign name, status, and creation date, edit existing campaigns, and review the reports of active campaigns. The reporting icon leads to the pre-filtered campaign analytics page with the selected campaign. You can set a specific date range and filter the data based on a selected segment. You can evaluate how your audience interacts with the conversational message by analyzing key metrics: sent, delivered, opened, and clicked. Hover over the chart to see statistics of the selected metrics for each day, which you can view in total numbers or rates. That concludes our session on how to create, manage, and analyze conversational channel campaigns in SAP Emarsys. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you for your attention.